Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another candle wax reading. So this was requested by one of the viewers. She wanted to know like what are the person's current feelings through candle wax reading. So I will do this reading today. We will see what current thoughts and energies of your person. But before that, I would like to pull some tarot cards to know the situation. Then I will do definitely the candle wax reading. So we will start with tarot cards, then we will do the candle wax reading, and if it is required, then we will take the guidance card also. Okay, please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you, and if you want any specific readings, you can definitely comment in the comment section so that I can make the next readings of your own choice. Okay, so let us start the reading. This is a collective reading. There is no piles, there are no piles here. So please watch according to the energies. If you feel that these energies are not connecting to you or not resonating to you, then there are many other readings on my channel, so you can check the other readings also. So let us see what are your person's current feelings right now towards you and this connection. What are your person's current thoughts and feelings towards you and this connection? First card is Four of Cups. What are your person's current thoughts and feelings towards you and this connection? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Eight of Wands, Ace of Wands, Four of Wands, Five of Pentacles. I'll move little bit this side so that I can keep this deck. Bottom of the deck we have the Queen of Wands. Hope you can see the cards. Okay, so what is your person's current feelings, thoughts and feelings for you? So I can see a lot of regret energy here. So they see you as a very powerful person, attractive. You might be having a pet as a cat. So this person views you as a very charming, confident, abundant personality with lot of power, with lot of passion, with lot of like you are very very attractive. Anybody can attract towards you. That is their feeling. They are looking at you like a queen. So they want to definitely they respect you a lot. At the same time, they are little careful with you because you are into a queen's energy, and this person feels like they are not they are not a right match for you, so they have some self-worth issues. So that is the reason this person is not able to contact you or communicate. I can see that there is no contact situation because they desperately want to talk to you. Eight of Wands, they are dying for the communication. Actually they are um, sexually attracted, physically attracted towards you, and they are not able to control their energies, control their desire towards you. They want to touch you, they want to feel you. So they are into a regret energy. Like now they have lot of other opportunities and everything also, but they are thinking about the past. So right now they are into some relationship or with some person, but they are not happy there, and they want to come back to you because they are feeling very very sad energy. They are feeling kind of a defeated energy, that they were not able to do the justice for you. So they feel very very regret feeling is there. Then they feel like it is out of their control, out of their hands. Now it cannot be rectified, and for some people this person is constantly thinking about you, and kind of an addiction. I can say you are kind of an addiction for them because 24 by 7 this person is thinking about you. I can see very painful energy, like Sometimes they cry, and sometimes they don't know what to do. Like, actually they want to come to you, but they are scared. So that is the reason this person is like a wounded warrior, I can say. Even though they are not feeling well, or they have health issues because of you, overthinking, over analyzing things. So they are not feeling, but they are not losing the hopes. Like, they want this connection to succeed. They want to have a passionate new beginning, which is Ace of Wands. They want to have a new beginning in this connection. They are desperately, they want to get the stability in this connection, because this is 4 and 4. 4 represents the stability. So this person wants marriage with you, because 4 of wands is there. They want to marry you, but they don't know how to come back to you, how to communicate to you. That is the reason this person is sitting alone, and they are thinking, they are planning actually. So they have lot of fear. Actually, I can see the fear in this connection. So somehow something they have done in the past, and they don't know how to rectify or modify them, because they feel like they lost you. Because you are into a queen energy, queen of wands energy. So you are very much desirable by others, and you are very beautiful, attractive. So you have everything. You have money, you have comfort. Then I can see you are nurturing, caring person. You have pets also. So that is what this person is observing from far. They're observing every move, every thing you do. They know what you are doing and all. So that is the reason this person is scared, because this person might be having financial issues also. Recently they might have lost the job or something, or they got lost in the business. So now this person, they don't know how to come back to you. You are very rich and abundant. They don't know whether you will accept them or not, because your status is different, their status is different. So now this person is having the self-worth issues. And also I can feel this person is in a long distance relationship or something. So that is also another challenge for them to come to you. But any which ways they want to marry you. This time when they are coming also, they will directly propose for marriage. They are very serious to marry you. They have now they made their mind that they want to come back, and they want to apologize. For some of you, they will say apology also, and they want to be with you. They want to marry you. Okay, now let's see the candle wax reading. Now let's see what spirits and angels they want to say. Okay. Okay, the energy also is very very fast, because the wax is falling very very fast, but they are separating also very very fast. That means this person definitely they have different thoughts. They once they will think, okay, they'll come back to you, they will apologize, they will like marry you, but they don't know how you will react. And I also can see some magic is happening, something is happening. Maybe for your separation somebody else is the reason. Some black magic or something I can see. Some third party is there, definitely some third party is there in this connection. He or she might have done something to make you separate. There is one person who is not wishing that you both to be together or reconcile. Whether it is your crush, boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband, I don't know. But someone is there, third party. I can see again and again, I can see three dots together. So definitely there is a third party in this connection, who is not willing to see you together. Otherwise they are brainwashing your person, that why you want to go to this person. He or she is not good for you. So they are doing so many things, they are trying so many ways. Okay, better what I can suggest you is you can wear that what do you say, evil eye bracelet or evil eye pendant, something like that, so that you can like not affected by this negative energy. I can see a lot of negative energy. But the thing is, it's washing away very very fast. Like till now maybe you are not talking to this person or not communication with this person for a few years or months, for some of you, but now these things are clearing out, like whatever had happened in the past, now things are clearing away, like how the clouds will disappear from the sky, so that and the sunlight will come, so like that I can see there is a lot of brightness is going to come into your life and this connection. This person is taking very very slow moving steps, like one after the other, slowly they are making a move towards you, because this energy is very very fast. It is uh, yeah, I'm getting so many messages, just give me some time. Yeah, I can see this person is coming in a snail pace because of their fear only, nothing else. This person is has determined to come towards you, but they are scared of your energy, and they are coming very very slow. Yes, I can see their your person's brother, especially I can see brother. Someone is there that they are not happy with their financial finances. There is some fight happening between brothers or brother and sister regarding the financial matters. That is also another problem with your person. So they feel like they will lose all their abundance, their money. So some fight is happening. Okay, this can be related to their house, their property, or their lands, or their cash. Some fight is happening at home. So they have this problem also. Otherwise, they might be telling that if you marry this person, we will not give you the inheritance money or property. So some blackmail is going on. Yeah, somebody is not happy. I can see very sad face here. That is the reason it is taking time. And apart from that, also, your person is not sure whether you will accept them or not, because they don't want to have these family problems affecting your love life. Yeah, they want the fruitful connection with you, and now they are ready to leave their family also for you. Now, since they are determined to come towards you, they are ready to leave their family also for you. They are planning something. They have a proper plan how to come towards you, and this time they can take somebody's help also. I can see them discussing with somebody about this connection. Maybe they are going to a counselor, or maybe mutual friends or family member. Yeah, they are contacting them, and the other person is saying that, okay, wait, this is not the right time. Think carefully before you take any decision. Like that, they are telling them. Yes, I can see your person sitting in a some doctor's office or something, waiting for the doctor or a counselor. So definitely they are taking some treatment, guys. Their health is not good. Maybe because of this overthinking, or it can be normal fever or something also. But this person definitely, even though they are not well or anything, they are thinking about you constantly. Yes. So they are planning for a travel. I don't know whether they are coming to meet you or going for something else like a business conference or something. They are planning for a trip travel. Yes, and they have a meeting with somebody. I think it cannot be related to love, but it can be related to their business or job. Yes. So actually, they are thinking about you 24/7, but they have so many responsibilities, guys. This person might be a boss or some manager level. I can see they have lot of responsibilities in family also, in the workplace also, because every day they have to manage so many people. I can see. Yeah, because of that, they are not able to think clearly. They want to have a peaceful time, alone time, where they can think and take a right decision. But definitely, this person wants to communicate with you, there is no doubt about it. They want to tell whatever they have done in the past, they want to explain it to you in person. They don't want to talk over the phone, but they want to come in person and they want to say everything. Maybe they will call or text to say that, okay, I'm coming, or we will meet somewhere. They might call you to meet them somewhere. But this person is planning to come towards you and they want to explain. Yeah. So this person might be liking black color a lot. Maybe they like black, red, blue, maroon color. I can see heart also here. They definitely their love towards you is increasing day by day. Your connection is transforming, I can see. Yeah, it's they are feeling like it's a lot of burden on their shoulders. It's a big burden which they cannot carry. And it can be passion also, like they want you physically. Maybe that is also a burden for them because they can't control their emotions. I can see addition in their family or business. Maybe someone in their family delivered a baby, and I can see they are collaborating with somebody also. That is the reason they have a business trip or something to discuss about their business. This person might be entrepreneur also. You message me in the comment section if this person has any some kind of a business or not. Yeah, so they are planning, like they want financial stability. As I mentioned, they have some problem, loss in business or something. As I mentioned, some financial problem is there for this person. To increase that, to improve their financial status, they are going to meet somebody or they are going to hire somebody, or may add one more partner or something who can build their business properly. New things they are planning. But at night, I can see this person is very lonely and crying for you. They don't want anybody. Now they have everything in their life except you. That they don't want, because they want you also to be a part of their life. They want to spend time with you every day to day life. They want to have morning coffee with you, looking at the sunshine, sunrise. Yeah, coffee. I think this person likes coffee a lot. Just message me, comment in the comment section if this person likes coffee. They will make coffee for you, and they want to give you coffee, black coffee. Coffee lover this person is. They want to give you, they want to see you next to them on their bed. They are daydreaming, they are planning so much. In fact, I can see for some of you this person is making arrangements in their home also, like according to your choice, according to your desire, your favorite color, your favorite things they might be buying and keeping in their home. Yeah, I can see a lot of future plans. So they want to take you wherever you are right now, you won't be here, and this person will be taking you very, very far away. That can be different state, city, or country. So this person is planning, and they are discussing with somebody, and proper planning they are doing. If my person comes here and stays with me, he or she should not face any problems, any discomfort. Yes. But there is, I can see one mother or sister or any some female is there, their colleague or their friend. Someone is telling about you, like just be careful with this person, like you, whoever is my viewer. They're telling your person that be careful with this person, this my viewers, but they are not like very much opposing this connection, but they also have some fear because they feel that you are very proud and very rude, very strong person, and your person might be very innocent or very soft hearted person or emotional person, where you are like very confident personality, strong, and you will say whatever you want to say on the face of the other person, so that they are not. So many of you, many of their family, they knows about you. I can see this is a past connection, and they know you, or this person might have explained or shown your pictures to them. They have discussed that in the family. Definitely I can see this person has discussed about you in their family, and now they are like they are not sure whether it is a right decision or not. That's why they are saying be careful with this, my viewers. That also I can see. There might be some family secret which they are not telling you. This person might be having a family secret related to money, finance. I can see a lot of I can see a tortoise also. Tortoise is like related to money, prosperity, abundance. So something is there which they are not telling you the truth. Or maybe if you marry this person, you they might not get that inheritance. Something related to money and finance is there here. So I feel that there is some caste, religion difference between you and this person. That also is stopping this connection. But definitely their feelings and emotions are piling up. They have very, very deep emotions towards you. So whatever they show outside, it will be more deeper than you think, deeper than you feel. They have lot of deep emotions towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you, my collective. Now the candle came to the end. I have to stop this. Okay, that's all I have for you. So definitely this person is having deep feelings towards you, and they have this lot of piled up energy which they want to tell you, but they are not able to tell you. I can see like they want to spend time in the sunshine or ocean along with you. They want to, their heart actually is like filled with your memories, your feelings. So definitely I can see this person is head over heels for you. You can see lot of on top it is looking flat, but at the bottom you can see it's very deep, it's piled up. Okay, definitely this person will be very, very happy if they are with you. That happiness they want, they don't want anything else right now, they want that happiness. When they are with you, it, they are very happy, they were happy in the past. So definitely they want to have this abundance, then the beautiful life they want to have with you. Yeah, so definitely somebody's evil eye is there on this connection. You have to be very, very careful, and you have to take the protection, evil eye bracelet or anything you can wear. Yes, that's all. If I keep on telling, this reading will go hours together. I'm getting so many messages with this candle wax reading. Okay, that's all I have for you, my collective viewers. This is our candle wax reading. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.